Hey, hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create a website in only 5 clicks. So if you are a beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video because I will show you step by step how to create a website in just 5 clicks. Let's start. At first, I'm going to magichocos.com. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here and you need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. Then this is interface. You can see this is interface. Then you need to select first what type of website do you need, and if you are interested to create. I select online store because I want to sell some e-commerce product. You can choose anything. Here's a lots of category. You can choose anyone. This doesn't matter. Now I choose a cosmetic store. You can choose anything and any category. Now I select a specific category. Example, hair styling, nail care. I choose this one and continue. Now I want to sell product, then I choose number 1, sell product. If you want to write a blog, then I choose number 2. If you are want to get booking, example of doctors, hospital, and school, college, and any others things, you can select number 3. Then collect testimonial, select number 4. Then I want to sell a specific product, then I choose number 1, a sell product. Then you need to click here for continue. Now need to select a business address, and if you have a business address, physical address, then select number 1. Then I don't have a physical address, then I select online business only. Now you need to select your brand name, website name. Then I choose kalam SBD. This is my brand name. Now I want to click for continue. I need to select 3 options. Example of loyalty programs, affordable price. I choose number 3. Then this number 3. This is really good. Then you can choose any number, any 3. This doesn't matter. Then I want to your audience what type of now select. If you have a phone number, select phone, email address, website contact forms, and I want to choose number 1. Then continue. Then this is a website interface. Then if I want to change number 2 style, then number 3. Wow, number 3 is a really beautiful and cool. Then you are able to change color portal. Then here is the 4 option. Then this is really cool. Then I don't need change anything. Here is the 4 option for font. You can choose any others, but number 1 is comfortable. I like. Then create my website. Wow, my website is ready for view. If you have a personal domain, then you are able to transfer this website your domain address. Otherwise, if you don't have a domain address, then this website give you a free domain address. You are able to use this free website. Really good. You are able to change any photo, any font, and any others, logo, etc. Everything are comfortable and customizable. This doesn't matter. Everything if you want to change, this is. So I want to click for view website. Here is the option. If you want to use custom domain, just click here. But I don't have a custom domain, and just I click view website. Wow, this website give me a personal domain address. Example of jden3661.hocos.com. It's really beautiful. So this website link I will attach in description below. If you are really interested to visit this website, I'll be happy, but I don't have any return. And if you have a more video about those type of chatgpt AI make money online, please keep watch others video in my channel and turn on a notification bell, and see you again. Thank you. Tata.